Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gabe, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And I'm happy to see you all today. And smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I hope you guys are all following me. As you can see, I'm here at IKEA, and everything's open now. And there's people walking around, but don't worry. But anyways, yeah, I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope that we can be together again. And anyways, yeah, so the topic for today is going to be Tales of Vesperia. But before I get to that, I'm going to let you know how my day's been going. So anyways, yeah, guys, I'm looking for 100 subscribers on YouTube. So now I have 62. Come on, guys, let me get those 100 subscribers. And I know you're watching me. I know you're out there. Follow your boy. Don't disappoint me. And I hope that you can follow me and smash that like button. Follow your boy. Come on, man. Okay, so today's topic is going to be about Tales of Vesperia. So anyways, guys, just want to let you know, give you an update here on the quarantine situation. So basically, all of the shopping malls are now open. Okay, so they're open now. So, but the fitness centers are not open, supposedly, so that sucks. But anyways, okay, I just want to let you know I'm doing fine. I hope you like my new outfit here. I'm wearing a cool hat. Okay, and so the topic for today is going to be about Tales of Vesperia. The game is insane. I know it's a PlayStation 3 game. I highly recommend that you get the game, the graphics, the music, everything is the best. So, out of a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 10-10. Out of a scale of 0% to 100%, I give it 100%. So download the soundtrack, check out the trailer, Tales of Vesperia. It's insane. So I hope you're following my YouTube channel, you guys, and I hope everyone is okay. And I just want to let you guys know that just doing a little shopping here and everybody's okay. And I'm going to try to talk about different topics. And I'm going to invest in a tripod. So hopefully I can get more stabilized in my videos. So as you can see, there's a lot of people here, so that's why I had to choose a small little corner so there's no people here. But okay guys, yeah, smash that like button, follow your boy on YouTube and Facebook. And as I said, I want to get 100 subscribers, you guys, and hopefully I can get 100 subscribers before the end of the year. Okay guys, so yeah, just want to let you guys know that I'm okay, and this is quarantine content. And I hope you're enjoying my YouTube episodes. And yeah, this topic for today is going to be about Tales of Vesperia. So I highly recommend the game. Go ahead and get it, download it, and hope you enjoy it. And I really liked it. I really enjoyed it, and I finished it. So I hope you get it as soon as possible. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys are like following me. Like I said, come on, follow your boy and support your boy. You know what I mean? Okay, guys. So, yeah. So, supposedly they're not playing any music right now. But there's a ton of people here. It's insane. Okay, guys. So, I grabbed my dinner right now. So I'm about to go home. So once I get home, I'm gonna upload this video in glorious 4K. And yeah, guys. So, like I said, I'm gonna try to change the topics every day, every week. So follow your boy, and I'm gonna try to make some more interesting videos on my YouTube channel. And yeah, support your boy, man. Smash that like button. Let me get 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm at 62 right now, okay? Okay, guys, so let me see if there's anything else. Take care, and hope you're following me during this quarantine content. Okay, guys, so yeah. Hope you're enjoying yourself, and like I said, I'm doing okay, just doing a little shopping, just picked up my dinner. And the topic for today is called Tales of Vesperia. It's an insane PlayStation 3 game, but I downloaded it for PlayStation 4, so I highly recommend the game, guys, okay? So I'm gonna try to do longer videos, and I hope you can support me and support my YouTube channel so I can get 100 subscribers. Okay, guys, and like I said, I'm wearing this goofy hat, but I gotta wear my mask because I can't be walking around here without a mask. They always want me to wear a mask around here, unfortunately, because you have to wear the mask. If you don't wear the mask, well, then you're screwed. So another good thing that I just found out is that they're opening all the airports up. So all the airports will be open on July 1st, I think. So July 1st, yeah guys, all the airports will be reopened up. So right now I'm just waiting for other stuff to open, like swimming pools and like, you know, fitness centers, okay guys? So yeah guys, okay, I'm happy that you guys are following me and enjoying my YouTube channel. And like I said, I'm gonna try to make more better videos. And like I said, I'm about to get a tripod for my camera setups. I might get one or two depending on the situation and see if I can install that and see if it's supported. And like I said, I'm gonna change the topics and talk about different topics, you know, about traveling and food and different topics about gaming and everything to do about my life living here and other stuff and different topics, Q&A, questions and answers and all that. So hopefully you'll be enjoying my YouTube videos. And yeah guys, so yeah, hit that like button. Come on man, smash that like button. Support your boy, man. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Let me get 100 subscribers. And yeah, follow your boy, man. Follow your boy Alex. Yeah, man. And like I said, I'm gonna make more interesting videos. And I hope you're enjoying my YouTube channel. But yeah, I gotta get out of here, guys, because time is running out and people are complaining. Like I said, I just did a little shopping and I just got some dinner. So, okay, guys, hope you're supporting my YouTube channel and me. And nice to see you guys again. And hopefully we can see each other again in the future. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. So, like I said, it's the middle of the month. So, hopefully things will be much better with this COVID situation. So I'm not sure. I'm not really sure if things are going to get better next month or we have to wait till July 1st when all the schools are open. So we'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens, okay? Like I said, this is quarantine content, guys. So quarantine content is quarantine content, which means these are videos during the COVID and coronavirus situation. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. So I hope you're enjoying my YouTube channel. And I hope I can make these long videos for you. I'll try to make my videos about 5 or 10 minutes, but if I travel, I'll do a little bit more traveling. I'll try to make it an hour, maybe an hour or 2 hours long, depending on the situation. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, take care.